Ningbo Bo Wang Auto Parts Company Limited was established in the year of 2010. Our brand, LELION, is well known in domestic and abroad. LELION is a professional manufacturer and exporter which specialized in producing various wiper blades. It is located in the second biggest seaport city, Ningbo, China, with more than 13 years producing experience. We always adhere to take quality as the life, best credit standing as the goal. In last few years, our items enter the global markets and sell well in overseas market with good reputation. LELION's distribution channel covers about 30 countries and regions in the world. Our main market is Europe, the Americas, Russia, Southeast Asia, South Africa, and Middle East. Quality warranty. We utilize advanced testing equipment and quality assurance system for each production step. All items are produced under CE and ISO 9001 quality and management system. LELION owns strong developed team. We could design and develop the products according to customers' drawings and samples to meet all of the customers' requirements. For increasing your profit and bring you a prosperous business, we develop, manufacture, market cutting-edge, reliable and value-added professional services that provide customers with smarter ways to be productive and competitive. Hereby, we look forward to growing up with you and join hands in creating great future together. Warmly welcome all of you. Come to visit us.